This chart illustrates the breakdown of how the city spent the revenue it received from the property taxes of Toronto residents and businesses in 2016. With an average household's assessed value of $549,586 and based on property taxes of $2,748. As you can see, 71% of the tax levy was spent on police services, TTC, debt charges, fire services, and shelter support and housing administration. Get involved. Visit toronto.ca/budget.